Hello and welcome to One Small Cube, where we like to dive into the world of science and engineering. And don't forget, if you'd like to see more videos like this one, give us a like and hit that subscribe button. So a robotic arm from MachineWorks with 175 parts, recommended for ages 10 and over, and I estimate it would have taken me about 4 hours if I was to do this without filming or making any errors. I think the quality is pretty good for a plastic kit, but as with any plastic set, just remember not to over tighten those screws to avoid stripping any thread within the plastic. And the motors have a simple mechanism that limits the moving parts from being overextended and damaging the motors, and you hear a loud clicking noise when that is triggered. I found the instructions to be very clear and easy to follow. There were a few fiddly bits where you need the right tools to hand, but any kit needs to be a bit of a challenge if you're going to learn something new. Now, I think this could be used repeatedly once built, and I spent as much time taking it apart and rebuilding it again just to see how all the internal parts work together. So keep all of those small bags that the parts came in if you're like me and like to take things apart again. Value is mid-range for this kind of kit, but overall in terms of keeping someone entertained for a couple of days, I think this is very cheap compared to some ways you can spend your time. Where this really comes into its own is what you can learn. There's mechanics, electrics, wireless connectivity, and with robotic technology very well established in industry now, it will only become more prevalent, which made this a very practical learning experience. And I think this model would fire the enthusiasm for any budding engineer. Overall, this is a good piece of kit from MachineWorks, and I think most kids would absolutely love it. For me, it really stands out at an educational level, and for that I give it 4.4 stars out of 5. Now there is a link in the description below for it if you fancy a challenge and want to give it a go, as well as other models from the MachineWorks range. Enjoy!